Let's see this previous year question. And the question says that match list 1 with list 2, choose the correct answer from the options given below. तो आपको कॉलम 1 गिवन है जिसमें आपको ये डिफरेंट क्वांटिटीज गिवन है, मोल्स गिवन है, डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स के, डिफरेंट कंपाउंड्स के. फर्दर आपको सेकंड कॉलम गिवन है एंड यू हैव टू मैच कॉलम 1 विद कॉलम 2. So let's firstly discuss the key concept of this question. Number of moles is equal to given weight upon molecular weight, right? Also, if I talk about moles in the terms of number of atoms, molecules or electrons, then divide by Avogadro's number, right? So by using these two concepts, let's solve our question. So first of all, we have been provided with 16 gram of CH4. CH4. So this is the given weight of methane. Then the molecular weight of methane is, it will be 12 plus 4, that means 16 gram per mole. So the number of moles will be given weight upon molecular weight and it will come out to be 1 mole, right? But since 1 mole is not given, now let's calculate the electrons, right? So for electrons, as we have discussed, the number of moles is also equal to number of electrons upon Avogadro's number, right? So moles we have solved, it is 1 mole. Then number of electrons we have to find, and then Avogadro's number. So number of electrons will come out to be 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. But since it is a CH4 molecule, right? अब एक CH4 molecule में how many electrons will be there? CH4. अगर आपके पास कोई न्यूट्रल मॉलिक्यूल होता है तो आपके जितने नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स होते हैं उतने ही आपके क्या होते हैं, नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. सो देयरफॉर वी विल बी हैविंग carbon के atomic number is 6 and for hydrogen it is 4. So 10 electrons will be there. अब ये किसके लिए आया है? ये तो आपका सिर्फ एक के लिए आया है, लेकिन हमारे पास कितने हैं? We are having 10 electrons. So for this it will be 10 into 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. Right. Further, I can write it as 60.2 into 10 raised to the power 23. So is this option matching with anything? Yes, that means for A it is Q. Right. Let's solve further now. We are having 1 gram of H2. All right. So for 1 gram of hydrogen, let's firstly find the number of moles, and the moles is equal to given weight upon molecular weight. Given weight upon molecular weight, and it will be 1 by 2, that means 0.5 moles. Now let's calculate the volume. अगर हम STP पे बात करते हैं किसी गैस के लिए, so moles is equal to volume that has been provided to you or volume at STP, that means its standard temperature and pressure. So moles will be 0.5, this volume you have to find, and then this will be 22.4, and on multiplying you will be getting 11.2 liters, right? So this option is matching with this. That means for B, option number S is correct. Now let's move further. We have been given with 1 mole of N2 gas. So 1 mole N2 gas. Let's calculate the number of moles. Number of moles is equal to given weight upon molecular weight. Moles equal to given weight upon molecular weight. The atomic mass or the molecular mass of nitrogen is 28 grams. So weight will be 1 into 28. That means 28 grams. Now let's see the options. So for C option, P is correct. Option C, P. Right. Let's calculate for 0.5 mole of SO2 now. .5 mole of SO2. Right. First of all, the molar mass of SO2 is 32 plus 32. That means 64 gram per mole. And as we know that number of moles is equal to given weight upon molecular weight. So weight will come out to be 0.5 moles into molar mass. That will be 32 grams. That means for option number D, R is correct. Right. Now let's match these with the options given to us. So for C, we are having P. Wrong. Then for C, we are having P. Right. And then for A, we are having Q. Right. Then for D, we are having R. And then for B, we are having S. That means your option number D is correct.